He's voted against financial services reform. He's voted and not offered any new ideas on what he'd do otherwise. On the environment and the greatest environmental disaster we've seen in our lifetimes, he's not even sure what we should do and hasn't been able to agree to hold BP accountable or that he's truly supportive of the environment. And last, he's voted against health care, where we have many, many families throughout our district who have not had access to health care, have lost health care because of pre-existing conditions, and he's offered no alternatives for what he would do to help them out.
But Reichert did vote for the climate change bill in the House currently, right?
And right now we have a huge oil spill, and he has not done anything to help address what we need to do to prevent any oil spills in the future. Healthcare reform, we've done health insurance reform, and I think we need to move on to health care reform. I think we're not done. President Obama, when he spoke to Congress, said, I hope to be I may not be the first president to tackle health care, but I hope to be the last. I hope that he's not the last. I think health care is something that we should put policy in place on every year so it doesn't get out of date, over 30 years out of date, where we have big complex bills that we have to put together. We need to have a clear line between commercial banking and investments, so the modern equivalent of Glass-Steagall, so that we make sure that people's savings aren't being used for risky investments. I think that we need to be stronger in supporting our community banks because small businesses don't have access to credit right now, and most of the reform has been focused on large financial institutions. I think right now the focus is on what we're going to do moving forward, and that means making sure that citizens aren't responsible for bailing out our financial institutions because of their risky behavior, and we have to be focused on what we're going to do to make sure that never happens again.
So just to clarify, you wouldn't have supported the bailout in Congress?
I think we should make sure that we have a situation where we never have to bail companies out in the future.